Ndege no muthemba wa helicopter Augusta Westland AW119 yubukire kuma kiharo-ini kia ndege kia Wilson guku Nairobi mathaini ma thinacara cia rucini yerekeire mwena wa Marsabit icera ria kuigithia thayo mwena ucio ni gukuite maobitha a ugitiri. Kurerikana kumana na guthuka kwa riera ndege no ni kwambite kuba hinahi kaunti-ini ya Murang'a undu umwe na kaunti Embu negwire ndagika nini tu thutha wa kumbuka kuma kaunti-ini ya Embu mathaini ma thaa igiri cia kiroko. Ndege no igukuite Regional Commissioner wa mwena wa ithwiro ria bururi Isaiah Nakuru, Lydia Ligami uria ni kamanda wa borithi mwena ucio, John Kirui uria ni munene wa DCI mwena ucio na Gilbert Magut uria ni munene wa ruhonge rwa ugaceru mwena ucio, othe aya makihonoka gikuo cierera thiini wa mutino uyu.
Ni mimi ni mtu wa kwanza kufika kwa hiyo ndege na ikawaokoa wote. Walikuwa watu 5 alafu mmoja alikuwa nje.
Sikia mkelele tukatoka tuweza kuona ni nini ilikuwa inaendelea. Na kufika hapo tukakuta hiyo ndege imeanguka na tulijaribu kuokoa wale walikuwa ndani. Tukatoa mmoja ambaye alitueleza walikuwa 6 na tukajaribu kadri ya uwezo wetu kuwatoa na tulitoa wote.
Kurigana na ripoti ya borithi, Ligami ni umwe wa aria mauma na nguraro njoru ona gutuika ni macokire kureho guku kaunti-ini ya Nairobi kwamukira urigiti makiria kuria mamukirirwo ni minister wa ugiteri wa thiini Ndagitari Fred Matiang'i kiharo-ini kia Wilson uria waniririe uthuthuria bara nginyonio kwambikwo niguo kumenya kiria gicungireirie mutino uyu.
4 of them not very critically, they are out of danger. They have been flown to Nairobi. One of them, our regional commissioner for Eastern, Mr. Isaiah Nakuru, is critically injured. He has been undergoing a procedure at the hospital, but we have been told, thankfully, that his condition is stabilizing. The Kenya Civil Aviation Authority is investigating the accident, and we will know shortly what actually happened.
Ino ni mwe gatagati ka ndege ithatu cia borithi iria iragurirwo ica ikuhi na kuringana na muingi uria wiyoneire kigwa mugunda-ini wa Marigu ni kwambite guthiururuka maita maigano na mbere ya iharurukite.
Nilisikia nduru watu wakipiga nduru ndani. Sasa niogope mtu au nikusaidie ni bora nikusaidie. Lazima nisaidie.
Maobitha ya ugiteri meguthiaga mwena wa Marsabit kuria gukoretwo na ndugamano ya kinduriri ukirikana andu ana ni mareketie kuragwo thiini wa ngahiha icio kuria Matiang'i ehitire aria makoretwo magicogera ngui icio ni mwe kung'ethanirwo nao hatari kuiguirwo tha.
I'm sending this message to our leaders, especially from that part of the country. We cannot continue this way. This is it. We cannot go on this way. Where people start all manner of conflict, some of it has got nothing to do with the people themselves. Half of it is just political.
Ino ni ndege ya kere kugwa yerekeire mwena wa Marsabit kwigithia thayo kuna mwaka wa 2006 kuri na ndege ingi yaguire na kiuraga andu 14 na gatagati kao ni hari na mbunge 5.
We have lost almost 3 planes in that side. That part of the country has cost us so many public officials. You all know, we in the Ministry of Interior are the ones who have paid the highest price because of the conflict around Marsabit area and that part of. That is how we lost even our Assistant Minister for Interior, the late Mirugi Kariuki.
Uria wari mbunge wa Nakuru West na munini wa Minister wa Ugiteri Mirugi Kariuki udumwe na muteti Bonaya Godana ni mweria makwirire mutino-ini ucio uria wahanikire ndagika nini tu mbere ya ndegere ya makuite kuba mwena wa Marsabit mathiete mucemanio wa thayo. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Nũngari wa Kamau.